Alright guys, we got a 2002 Hyundai Elantra. Show you how to change the air filter. Probably be doing a oil change too. So, you just take these tabs out. Let's see, I don't even think it's pretty brand new. New still. Walmart with Ram 93, 92 on the Kia. Set this camera up. Make sure you guys put this upwards. You guys can see there. And then just snap it back in. So we got two right here, one snap. It's good. Alright, let's try to change the oil. Alright, so our oil change, you need your oil. We got that 530. Then we got the oil filter, Ram 9688. And then your ratchet, we'll be using 17 millimeter. Then you got your oil pan, your oil filter remover. I don't know what that's called. So I'll be all on the side of the driver's side. You got your filter right there. Oil pan. Can't see the socket. This one right here. I'm not gonna sure if I'm gonna be able to record and do this at the same time, but just make sure you guys drain it. I think it's 4 quarts or 5. I'm not sure, quite sure. But there you guys have it. (2002) Hyundai Elantra. So we'll see if I can record and do this at the same time.